Target locked.
In-order, anong in-order ko?
Mga ano po ma'am, grocery items. Saka mga damit po.
Sino nag-order ako mismo?
Opo, nakapangalan po sa inyo ma'am. Wala ba kayong natatandaan ma'am?
Saan galing?
Sa ano pa po ma'am? Sa Manila pa po.
Ay, wala man ako in-order.
May nakaano kasi sa inyo ma'am. Nakapangalan.
Bayad na?
Hindi pa po. Bayaran pong babayaran.
Wala man ako alam sa order na yan.
Wala. Sa cellphone niya, dilipad, hindi man
Oo.
Di ba ma'am may nakialam po sa cellphone niyo ma'am?
Wala akong Facebook.
Ala ko man Facebook, eto yung cellphone ko sa kanila to, kararating lang nila.
Ay, kararating po. Paano kaya yun ma'am? Nakapangalan po sa
Oji!
inyo.
Urdo! Ut kasing, ala na ako man in-order, anak, nanong orderan po, wala balo yung ala akong pera, order ko.
Kabalo bigyan ka na, ano kasing,
Ah,
balo ko kayo, pag sabihan mo na,
wala naman Facebook siya, Delisa.
62,000 pa naman
Pero
yun
nga,
ma'am.
Sus Mariosep. Ay, at itong may order, ya kung ano mismo na kimen order, makanano ko
Kaya
na-order.
isang van po yung ano namin ma'am eh, puro alaman ng mga in-order niyo po.
Kaya pala, baka kayo. Grocery yata.
Grocery po, tapos
Grocery,
mga
ganun na.
akala namin, nagugulat nga kami kasi ang dami. Eh baka kako, malapit ng Christmas, ipamimigay yun.
Tsaka hindi ako yun nga ang mga food, food panda, tsaka Lazada, hindi man ako nag-order kasi yun nga yung cellphone ko.
Baka na may nakialam po sa inyo, kasi nilagay po yung ano, pati picture niyo nga. Nandun po, tingnan niyo na lang po ma'am. Layo-layo pa naman ang pinanggalingan namin.
Gila ko, may bigla akong gumag. Biro may nak 62,000.
62,000 ma'am. Worth 62,000 yan ma'am. Paano yan ma'am? Dalhin ka na lang namin ma'am. Pag wala kang pambayad.
dadalhin niyo siya po.
Oo, dadalhin ka na lang namin.
Wala na po kami mama, pag dinala niyo.
Layo-layo pinanggalingan namin. Tapos ano ma'am? Halika ma'am. Halika. Nanay, thank you for being a mother and father since tatay left us. Salamat sa pagmamahal, suporta at sakripisyo na ibinigay nyo sa aming mga anak nyo. Kayo ang nagsilbing pundasyon na pwede naming sandalan. Gaano man kabigat, kahirap ang pagsubok na binigay sa amin ni Lord. Hindi man kami perpektong anak sa paningin ng iba, basta alam namin kami ang perpektong anak sa paningin nyo. Masaya na kami doon. Sana palagi kang masaya. Kapag masaya kayo, sobra-sobra din ang saya namin. Happy birthday, Nanay! I miss you and I love you, Nay. Love, anak nyong pinakamaganda. Sino nanay? Anak mong pinakamaganda. Sino nanay? Sabihin mo para doble niya yan.
Maganda na, mabait pa.
Ay, Nay, anong masasabi niyo sa pinakamaganda mong anak, nanay?
Jis, salamat nenak. Pasaya mo na ako naman. Pasaya ako mga pagaga ko. Magsabihan pa mo, may scam ko. May scam ka na naman ata. Dakaladaan, salamat nenak.
Nay, aanin niyo yung pera na yan, Nay.
Ang bibili ko ng upuan.
Ay, shopping si nanay.
Nagulat ako galing kay Maynila, wala man akong order.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now.